Welcome back to David's Expedition. I am a self-funded global traveller. If you enjoy genuine travel content, make sure to subscribe. As mentioned in the previous video, today I am taking an Air France business class flight from Paris to Florence. After disembarking from the previous flight from Nice, we were welcomed by the beautiful CDG airport. Look at the design and architecture of the terminal. Isn't it stunning? After walking for a few minutes, we found the flagship lounge by Air France at Paris. The check-in is fully digital. Just by scanning the boarding pass, we were able to enter this stunning lounge. This lounge is nicely built. The open layout and spacious seating area makes this space extremely welcoming. There is even a second floor, which has great views of the gates and the runway. The drink section is mind-blowing, with a number of self-serving selections of hard liquor, wines, and various other drinks. Other lounges may have something similar, but it is usually in a dedicated bar counter. This is my first time seeing a self-serving bar that could have this many options. There is even a Clarins Traveller's Lounge. Sadly, it was closed on the day of my visit, but passengers can book facial treatment inside the lounge. Would love to come back to this lounge to try this out. The food area also has great selections. There is a mountain of croissants and a variety of other pastries and desserts to choose from. However, quite a few selections ran out, and the food was not refilled very frequently. This is definitely one of the best lounges that I have visited so far. The environment, decoration were just perfect. However, the food service could be improved to refill the dishes more frequently. After some resting, we headed to our gate F54. As we are flying with business class, we boarded the flight in the first group. As you can see, the flight seats are the same as economy class, while middle seats were empty. However, the legroom, at least for the first row, is huge. Be sure to choose the first row if you ever fly with Air France with business class. After settling into our seats, it is now time for takeoff. pilot did a good job, and the clouds over the sky are amazing today. Almost right after the flight climbed to the planned altitude, meal service was started. I never expected the domestic or short flight business class to have such wonderful service. Look at the meal. Isn't it nice? The conchiglie was nicely seasoned, and the dessert was very delicious as well. As soon as I finished the meal, it was time for landing. Landing was smooth. By being on the first row, I can also observe the flight attendant's operation. I didn't realize Florence Airport was such a small one. I don't believe I saw any gates during the bus ride to the arrival facility. Overall, this is a wonderful flight. The lounge was such a big surprise since I assumed it was going to be a regular lounge, but it was nicely crafted with amazing selections of drinks and decent food options. The in-flight meal service was the highlight. The flight was only 1.5 hours, but an amazing meal was served. I would give it 9 out of 10 and would definitely book again in the future. Florence is such a beautiful city. In the upcoming videos, I will share more of my travel experience in Europe. Stay tuned. If you enjoyed this video, please click on the like button and subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much for the support.